Would you say they're similar to your chandelier?
Similar.
So I noticed Vince was doing something pretty cool over here. Trying to wrap the end of the day here real hard.
Yeah.
So Vince, tell us about what you're doing.
So right now I'm gonna be making the wiring harness for the running lights, brake lights, turn signals, all the lights that light up the car for illumination and the lighting of the car.
Would you say they're similar to your chandelier?
Similar, but that one don't work yet.
I thought it worked.
You gotta plug it in.
Oh, you know, with this whole light harness you're doing, it'd be a lot easier if they just didn't work at all.
Oh yeah, so easy if it just didn't work. If we just put it together and it didn't work, that'd be so easy.
But let's talk about what you're doing here.
So basically what I'm doing is I got this string, right?
Yeah, you got a string.
And I went through and I marked it at every foot, every 6 inches, and every inch with a different mark. So I'm going to be using this to go up to the frame, put this against the frame, measure what I need, and I'll make a little diagram and draw a little Christmas tree and where this thing's going to split off. And yeah, so basically with I'll make a little diagram, and in theory I'll be able to just put this thing on the bench and make a wiring harness with my notes.
Right, with your notes.
Right, but that's theory.
Yeah. Things always change in real life.
Yeah, I've never done this before.
So, trial by fire.
Trial by fire. So, you see I already did this section.
No, I can't see. Show me.
8 feet.
Vince already did this section. It's 8 feet.
So this is 8 feet, and then this is another 8 feet. So I have 16 feet of measuring tape.
Got it.
Cord here.
Got it.
So
Cool.
there we go.
Alrighty then.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Got a nice wiring layout tool. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.